All right, today is day 3, and we are in Castaway Cay.
Yep.
So we're gonna go find out what it's all about.
Yep, and we got our bathing suits ready. So we're
Yep.
gonna head now to breakfast,
And then we're off to the island.
let's go. So we've officially gotten out of the dream, and here is the port for Castaway Cay, which you can come out to either the front or the back, not the middle. We learned it the hard way.
Yes.
And yeah, so in we go, guys.
Hello everyone, welcome to our beautiful island, Castaway Cay. In just a few short minutes, we'll be arriving at Scotland's Gold Tram. You should disembark here for Scotland's Gold Children Program area, Marshall Point Famous Whale Scalloping Area, Castaway Race Stingray Adventure, watercraft rentals, gill spins and boat snorkel rental, and sheet sail. See you later and have fun.
We're gonna come back to that one.
You get the break, but you don't get the break.
We hit a shop. You know what's happening. I have to go look. I'm nosy like that. Let's go. This is nice. Castaway Cay.
Got little seahorse with the
Birds of Paradise. And just add salt water. Oh, do I need a mug? Absolutely not.
yeah, cute that is.
But that says Castaway Cay. May need to consider.
And here's another one. There's another tumbler.
Yeah. But that's more of a service.
Yes. There's some of the that there are out there from that we saw outside. And we got these other shirts here. They're all the standard price of $24.99. Look at this one, Mermaid for Vacation. You got hats here as well. And also for little kids.
$19.99.
They got some magnets here and everything. Look at this. In case you want something quick for your trip reminder every day. Look at that, how cute. More shirts. Jerseys. You got these with mine. Those for $27.99.
I got it. Mine. $27.99.
There you go.
Cafe all day.
These all go for the same. That one goes for $34.
$29.99. This one, Castaway Adventures.
Yeah. And these go what for 30? This one goes for $34.99. Island time.
We have a huge dilemma. Like Chippendale, Castaway Cay, or Frozen. Like, oh my god. And they have Nemo too. Why are they doing this to me? That's not fair. Oh, they have Mickey and Minnie too. what? I feel like this would be the island where. Okay. I feel this would be the island where Frozen, where
Yeah, we're Olaf.
Olaf will come in to sunbathe with his little son.
So let's do
So
Olaf.
I'm gonna take
Let's
Olaf.
do Olaf. Good
I'm
idea.
gonna take Olaf. There's an array of shoes that they have, so if you forgot yours that broke or anything that happens, they have some of them. They have the child and they have the other one. I don't think any of them said Castaway Cay, but
Yeah, but this is because they're from
Havana.
Havana,
It's
which
one
is-
of the brands that Disney sponsors, so I think it's cute.
and they go from 34 to 38.
Yeah.
So just to give you an idea,
The kids ones are
30. There you
Yeah. In this area, they have swimsuits. In case you broke down, this is another cash register, and they have, of course, your sunblock, cameras if you need, bathing suit for the little ones, and then they have another section with pull-ups and personal stuff that you even need.
Yeah.
To
Pull the
make
people in.
sandcastles for Nemo.
The
and,
sandcastle's only $9.99 actually, which is probably good for
Yeah.
you get the kids when you're here.
Yeah.
Keep them entertained on the sand.
That's actually really cute. And then they have the Spider-Man bathing suits.
That's for $24.99. And then look at this.
The adult ones are a little bit more expensive. This one is $79.50.
There you go. Plenty of area here to sit down and just relax. So awesome. Or you could just go over to the beach area and there's a lot of shade, which is what I like over there. You got like this covered areas. If you continue walking down, there's here a spot that obviously has caught Guilda's interest, which is the couch. Conched
Out bar.
There you go. So everything's really spread out, which is really cool. So
Yeah, very nice.
There's a map at the entrance that has all the information, so that way you can plan accordingly. All over the place here, you'll find restrooms. So you can go there, and if kids want to play a couple billiards and stuff like that. There it is, and you got little hoops in the back and everything. Pretty neat. So here they have the section in case you want to bead your hair braiders. Mira, tienen agua? Got a water fountain there. There's also here another shop, which is Island Trinkets and Treasures, Bahamian Retail. And there's another shop over here called By the Seashore. And of course, we're gonna go inside.
This. $14.95. This is cute.
Yes.
You have to top your room key. It's going to be charged to you. Right on. What do you want?
This is so cute. $19.99. That is adorable.
We got some more of the hats that we found over there as well. More of a smaller type of shot.
If you're a pin collector, this is gonna be hard for you.
Yeah.
Because some of them are even exclusive to Castaway Cay.
Yeah.
Do I need it? No, no, no. Is it so adorable that I feel I need to have it? Yes.
You got also here the, in case you got a beer,
Punch it out.
look at that. This one goes for $29.99. You got here like in this jersey form. And of course, if you want something like a lanyard, here there's a lanyard of Disney Cruise Lines. Got Mickey there in the front. And you got these magnets. You get a quick present for somebody. You got this one also here, Mickey. And this one goes for mint, which is $9.99. And the Mickey one goes for $9.99 as well. Here's a pan around the beach area. is our ship. And you can see right over here at the faraway points, they have even lifeguards here hanging out. They have like this little thing here for kids to be able to jump in. And it's amazing. Okay, so we're now on the second tram that you gotta take to go to the adult beach, which is Serenity Bay. And then we're gonna have lunch over there as well, so
We'll find out what it is.
yeah, let's go check it out. Person was saying, look at this, this used to be the old airfield. Literally, you can see the numbers on the runway and everything, but that's cool. She was saying about walking through the airfield, literally. 5K, there you go. And there's a bike path down there as well. And here.
If you see me on vacation running a 5K, you should be running too.
Okay. Here we go. We arrived to Serenity Bay.
We got piña colada.
And a signature cup here that we can keep.
Yes.
So we'll be sipping away here on Serenity Bay. The old runway that we came down on, and it's so cool. The beach is literally right there, and look, we got even these refueling for when they used to have the airplanes here landing. Okay, we gotta pull that.
And now we're gonna eat.
Let's go eat. We see a little smoke over there.
What?
Hey, in we go. Let's go get some food. The first one, we got some grilled corn here, some red sweet potato salad. Gilda's already hitting here. We'll get some more condiments here for your burger. You get the bun there, the cheese, lettuce, tomato, bun. Gilda got, and well, you could eventually go back for more, but Gilda was smart enough to grab the two in the first shot. I only grabbed the first one with the burger, but I'll definitely go back.
Yeah.
So. Okay, so when you're on a Disney cruise, you know you can not only go once to the buffet. So I went twice. Here's what I got, which is some fresh fruit, got some grapes, and I got some pineapple and some watermelon. Gilda's got
The macaroni salad and some fruits. They even have fresh mango.
Look at that.
Amazing.
Amazing. Now, believe it or not, it is raining. So we're just gonna park here a little bit. Okay, and just like that, we leave a rainy Castaway Cay.
But we had an amazing time.
Yes.
I'm just tired. We're tired. We need a nap.
Yeah.
Because we're old and we're not afraid to say it. And let's be realistic. We just realized that cruises are a great place to have naps.
Yes. Deep naps. Deep naps.
The deepest nap you could ever have. So we're on our way to our nap.
And right over here, look at this. You got Bob Chapek. They mentioned here the master shipbuilder. I don't know. I'll leave that up to you guys to.
This situation to be far too hazardous!
Don't bark! What with her?
No! That girl is a part of the zero food chain!
On all the decks, you'll find these awesome little bins. And here you'll find where you have clean towels. Basically open this up. Plenty of towels to choose from. And at the end of the day, when you're done, come right next to it and drop them inside there for the used towels.
Hello. 103.
103. So tonight is Pirates Night, and I am so excited. So we're dressed as pirates, obviously, as close
We'll
as
put
we
all the
can.
photos for them to see.
And we're putting all your photos for you to see, and the staff is the servers are all dressed up as that. So it's very cool, very cool.
Yep. And here's the room. As you can see, everybody's got their pirate outfit.
Each of the dinners have a specialty drink tonight. Each of the nights have a specialty drink. Your server will recommend them if you are. They also have non-alcoholic ones. If you are not a person who drinks alcohol, they also have those. So make sure to check them out.
Yeah.
Tonight we have Pirate's Nest, Star Rum, Mango, Ginger, Green Tea, and Ginger Beer. So we're gonna try it out, see how it goes.
Yep. And for starters, they brought us cornbread today is what it is for starters of our, I guess, our 4-course meal again.
Yeah.
So it's
Good
going to
luck
be
to us.
good luck to us. So here is the drink. Gilda has already tasted it, as you can see before me as usual. And what do you think of it?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. And I'm going to go ahead and taste mine.
So good.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead.
So this drink is fantastic. It hits all the right spots. It is not overpowering, but good enough. So good.
And only available today at Pirates Night. So just for you to know, if you're trying to order it. So they brought Guild actually 2 options here for you to test.
Yes.
How crazy is that? We'll put the ingredients on the bottom of this one.
Yes. This is the samosa,
Okay.
and the other one is the I don't remember. So let's find out.
Yeah. What do you think?
Oh, this is very hot.
Okay, very hot, so I guess it's water, a little Coke. And then I got here, which is the shrimp, as you can see here. And they brought some fresh dipping sauce, and this looks amazing. I love always the presentation of the food in this place. It's just perfect. Gilda's still struggling over there with hot stuff, so...
So this is absolutely my favorite. It's delicious. It's so good. But this is not bad. It's good, but it's very spicy.
There you go.
This is very spicy. Oh, I couldn't finish it, so Luis got the plate and he loved it.
Yes, not bad at
so
all.
he can finish it.
We got the little garnish here. This is a little bit more spicy also.
Yeah, that's why.
So yeah, that's fine. That's right.
And I ordered the mango chilled soup, and it's delish.
Okay, and this is what I ordered. I'll put the ingredients of what it is. It's basically a salad, a little salad with a different type of dressing today. And obviously this has always been awesome, so no complaints here. Here's Gilda's plate.
Let's try it out.
Yep, and they brought you an extra bread there of English bread, he said.
Yeah.
Okay. see. Yeah. And here is mine, which is the lamb. We'll dig into this. So here is the lamb. We're gonna dig into this. Look at that, it just falls right off of the bone. No need, no, yeah. Oh, that's great. That's delicious. Nice and soft. Good stuff. And you got the potato also. Little potato on the bottom. Okay, so they brought 2 desserts, just like they brought earlier, 2 appetizers for Guilda to try. This is just insane.
Yes. So, yeah.
So what do you got here?
This is the rum soaked cake, and this is the cheesecake. Macadamian, we'll put it at the bottom, cheesecake.
Okay. And this is what they give to me. So you want to try this out? What do you think? Oh, is it creamy? What did
It's hard on the outside, but creamy on the inside. It's a cheesecake, basically.
Oh, here's mine. It actually has on the bottom like apple stuff, and here I think this is like a cherry as well or something. But nice and warm. And then you got the ice cream on the cold ice cream on top. So this is pretty good. A+.
I like this one better.
You're chomping away at 2 desserts.
Yes, this is heaven. Now what would really make it even better is if you didn't gain any calories or any weight from it. That would be perfect.
Yeah. Okay, just like that, since we had some drinks that were off of the menu, I'm just going to get this bill thing here and slide it over here to the lady at the end of the table. Thank you very much.
Always, all the time.
Yep.
Miss you. Yes, I love you too. You certainly misbehaved, but I love you.
He's so cute. You can't help me.
I know, I can't stay mad at him for that.
Stay mad at him.
He is so adorable. Look at him.
All right.
All right.
Here.
Here's today's design from our incredible guy who does our rooms, and look at this. That is so awesome. It's got like little pirate coins and everything in there.
Yeah.
Because today is Pirates Night.
Yeah, he did an amazing job.
Oh yeah.
Can't pronounce it. It's Moscato Diamante Guzmano.
Okay. We'll put the ingredients on. We'll put what it is on the bottom.